Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another free copywriting tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about 3 simple formulas that you can apply today in your copy and get results right away. So let's dive into it. The first formula I'm gonna talk about, all these formulas I learned them from Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards, a really good book. All this info I didn't invent it myself, I'm just commenting into it and giving you the information, given the proper credit, obviously, because in copywriting, given the proper credit, copyright, which is different, is really important, because it's like I'm making all these videos, I'm making all this content, and what if someone just took it away from me and made money with my stuff, right? So as I believe in that, I apply it. The first formula goes like this. I've seen a lot of variables about this, but it's basically problem. You need to talk about the problem, then agitate, and then solve it. How? With your product, right? I've seen another variation that it's called cut alcohol and then band-aid. So basically what you do is that you take the problem, you take the main problem that your audience has, something that I really struggle with. Let's say we're talking about lamps, right? So you're gonna tell them like, your problem is that your house hasn't enough light, right? Or when you're recording yourself in video calls, you don't have a good lighting and your clients are not seeing. So you can see the problem is that you don't have enough lighting, right? Then you make it worse. You gotta make it huge, like they can't live with this, right? I see it like taking them into a cliff, right, and grabbing them by the shirt and just putting them in the cliff and then saving them with your product. So in the lamp example, let's say like, okay, you don't have a good lighting, and for that reason your clients are gonna think you're not professional, they're not wanting to pay you, they're not wanting to pay you more in the future, you're not gonna get any clients, or your videos that you recorded are gonna be useless if you don't buy our lamps, right? If you don't buy these awesome lamps that will help you record better videos and get into better video meetings. So you put the problem, you agitate it, you make it worse, and then you magically solve it. Or you cut alcohol band-aid, right? You cut, then put some alcohol, which is worse, and then the cure, the magic cure. So you can use this really easily in your copy, in anything that you're doing, even if you're doing an email, if you're doing a social media post, an Instagram post, you can start talking about a problem. Let's say that it's cooking. So you're talking to people that wanna cook pizza, right? And you're selling your course. So you're telling them like, yeah, you don't know how to properly cook a pizza. If you don't, all your friends are gonna think this is not good. You're gonna make bad pizza for the rest of your life. You're gonna burn everything. You're gonna insult the pizza masters, right? You can do it in any form of shape you want, but just agitate it. Just make it worse than it actually is, and then solve the problem. Like, yeah, with this new pizza course, you're gonna have a good first impressions with your friends, with all the people that you cook pizza for. So problem, agitate, and then solve. The second formula, it's called benefit. So basically it's really easy but really important, because you want to focus on giving what are the benefits of your product, right? To make sure that people knows what they're gonna be able to do with your product. So this formula, guys, works to give you a guide. This is nothing new, right? You're always giving benefits, but they work as a guide. So you have it, and when you think about it, you're gonna write any copy, you're gonna sell anything, you think, okay, I'm gonna use the benefit formula, which works great for this type of audience and this type of product. So this is nothing new, but it works, so you can have it in your copywriting toolbox in a way. So giving benefits is way different than giving features. It's not that you're telling like, yes, this new cell phone has a camera. No, you're giving them benefits. You can now record high quality videos for your brand. You can now record high quality videos for your social media. You can now record professional videos, take professional pictures for your profile, for your business, for your product. So you're telling them benefit after benefit after the benefit, and you're talking about them, right? Remember yesterday's video, talk about them and what are the benefits that they are gonna get. Don't get caught up in the features because people don't care so much about them. I remember the Apple example about the iPod. Another people made another MP3 player, and they were like, yeah, this MP3 player can save up to 1,000 songs and blah 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 and do all this and this. But then Apple told you like, no, the MP3 people were telling all the features, like we do this amount of memory and this stuff, and then Apple just told like, yeah, imagine having 1,000 songs walking with you, something like that. So they give you this feel, this emotion, this benefit, rather than just telling the boring specs that almost no one cares, right? If I'm selling you this marker and I'll tell you like, yeah, it's blue, well, it has like a special ink that it's like friendly with the environment, and it has these letters and all that stuff, and it's made from plastic, which is this type of plastic, but it's nothing really good. So you give the benefits. What are the benefits? You're gonna be able to write stuff in your board that actually you can actually remember, because blue is the best color to remember things, to write things out. There have been studies that show that the blue color works better, or give some other benefits, right? Like you're gonna be able to teach people to make your videos better and do all these things. And the third one, that it's a really good one that I love, by the way, you can use them in any Facebook ad, in any caption, thumbnail, any description, any headline. You can use all these formulas. The problem, agitate, solve works awesome in anything. The third one is the before, after, and then bridge. So basically you put the person here and you put all the picture, like, yeah, right now you don't have enough money, your business is not working, you're struggling to get food, all these things that won't before, or you are overweight, you're afraid to go out, to go into pools, to take your shirt off, all these things that make the before something that you don't want right now. So you need to tell them and put all the bad picture that they're probably in. Then you tell them, what is the after? How are you gonna feel when you solve this problem? Because after all, we are problem solvers. So the future is gonna look like this, it's gonna be awesome, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna be confident, your business is gonna make sales, it's gonna make profit, you're gonna get a raise, anything that you want related to your product. And after that, after you have made all these mental pictures, all these emotions, all this emotional roller coaster, you're gonna tell them, what is the bridge? What is the way to get from this to this? And this is your product, right? So you don't tell them right away. Remember, you gotta first tell a story, tell something. Why do they want to listen to you, to listen to your copy, to pay attention? Because nowadays we got thousands of things to do. Why would I read your copy, read your offer? and see your thing. So first, you give them a reason, like maybe this is how you feel right now. You could start feeling like this, and then give the bridge. So the cool part about this are that those three formulas are always working to solve people problems, but they do it in different ways, because copywriting is like being a word architect, right? You're always putting words in different sentences and different orders and in different places. So that's kind of the magic of copywriting and the magic of these formulas, that whenever you want to do copy, you're not gonna stare at a blank page. You're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna use this formula, or which formula applies better for me, and you're not dependent upon any template or any generic fit-for-all thing that you have. So apply the formulas. You can use them right now. Don't start with what is your product. Start telling a story. Start telling something. How is their life gonna improve with, and then give them your product at the end. Okay? Apply this, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more of these free trainings in the video, subscribe down below. If you want to take your copywriting skills to the next level, grab a copy of my Crucial Copy Skills ebook below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.